in the spirit of love, unity, and solidarity, with the Renew Hope agenda of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFRO, the globally respected National Security Advisor, Ihuru Ribado, and the People First Administrator of the Presidential Amnesty Program, Chief Dr. Dennis Brutu Utraro, PhD. We express our profound gratitude to the federal government and all Nigerians for standing with us in promoting national stability, security, and sustainable development. As key stakeholders in Project Nigeria, we have carefully reviewed the ongoing efforts of the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu-led administration in developing the Niger Delta region, particularly in the areas of human capital development, infrastructural expansion, strategic political appointment, and regional security stabilization. While we acknowledge that more work remains to be done, we affirm that the significant progress has been recorded within less than 3 years of this administration in the following areas. Key achievements include expansion of the Presidential Amnesty Program under the leadership of Chief Dr. Dennis Brutu Utraro, PhD. The program has significantly expanded its human capital development initiatives in the line with the directives of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Today, the program now includes vulnerable Niger Delta youths, mitigating future unrest, supporting educational advancement through strategic reform, and intervention, proving social security for documented and undocumented ex-agitators, including medical bills, and most importantly, cautioning the effect of subsidy removal by funding aspiring Niger Delta students from economically disadvantaged background in university, both locally and internationally, empowerment of ex-agitators and stakeholders. Several ex-agitator leaders across the region have been trained and empowered. Women and traditional rulers are now increasingly included in critical decision-making processes concerning regional stability and collective security. Strengthening indigenous security companies and participation within our nation's oil and gas sector. Indigenous security companies, including Tantita Security Services Limited and others, have received the necessary support to safeguard vital oil and gas infrastructure. This initiative has enhanced pipeline protection, strengthening participation in the petroleum value chain, and creates employment opportunity for our teeming Niger Delta youths. Infrastructural development. The Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, has intensified efforts in delivering critical infrastructure across the region, including improvement in public school, electricity, sport facilities, healthcare institution, and community empowerment projects. And also Ogoni cleanup has been activated. Strategic political appointments. For the first time in many years, several sons and daughters of the Niger Delta have been appointed to key national positions, including Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Petroleum, Aviation, and the head of the Civil Service of the Federation. Our position as patrons committed to peace, unity, and development of Nigeria, we view the leadership style of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu as progressive and inclusive, fostering national cohesion and regional advancements. After a comprehensive review of these achievements under the Renew Hope agenda, we hereby declare our total support for the re-election of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027 coming general election to enable him to consolidate on his achievements, deepen reforms, and continue delivering the dividend of democracy, and also pass a vote of confidence on Chief Dr. Dennis Bruto Otuaro, administrator of the Presidential Amnesty Program. Within less than 2 years, over 9,000 Niger Delta youths, including ex-agitators and individuals from crisis-impacted communities, have been enrolled in universities locally and abroad with provision of laptops and educational support. This milestone is unprecedented in the history of the program. We therefore call all sons and daughters of the Niger Delta to unite and rally behind the President, the National Security Advisor, the administrator of the Presidential Amnesty Program, and all well-meaning Niger Delta leaders in position of responsibility. Together, we can steer Nigeria toward unity, prosperity, and the fulfillment of our collective aspirations.